Hi, it's Zach here. In today's video, we're going to compare 3 different types of strippers that we carry here at Cable Wholesale. The first stripper we'll look at today is the coaxial cable stripper. This stripper is good for RG58, RG59, and RG6 cable. We have the orange insert here and a small arrow. When you orient this arrow to face left, it points to a different number. We have an 8, a 6, a 9, and a D. Just pick the correct number. We have an RG6 cable here, so we have the 6 here. There's a small ridge on the side, and line up the edge of the cable with that ridge, and you have the perfect spacing. Go around 1, 2, 3 times. Open up the jaws, and you should have 2 separate cuts. One cut going all the way to the center conductor, like that, and a jacket cut as well. We've attached a piece of hook and loop to our stripper here to simply brush out the braided shield. This prevents it from poking or cutting you while you brush it down. If you'd like to know more about stripping coaxial cable, you can refer to our previous video. The next tool we'll look at is the double-ended coax stripper by Platinum Tools. On this stripper, you can use RG7 or RG11 cable on one end and flip it over and use RG59 or 6 on the other end. To strip this cable, simply insert and follow the diagram on the tool all the way to the other end. You want to have it pretty much flush with the end here. Simply give it a few turns, press down, and pull off. There you have your center conductor cut and jacket cut. It's that easy. The last stripper we have is a BR1 multi-stripper, also known as the Big Red. This is also another Platinum Tool stripper that works for applications such as coax, twisted pair, and telephone and audio. They call it the Big Red because the coax cassette blades are preset. The stripper is adjustable for twisted pair and audio cables, and it also works as a cutter for cable and wire conductors. It also includes a braid comb, and blades are replaceable. Today we have an RG11 cable. Ensure your cassette is pointed in the right direction, so you'll be able to look through a window here that says 711, so it works for the 11s. Also, the front will show you when this side is facing up, it's going to be for RG7 and RG11. When you have the other side facing up, as this comes right out, it'll be for RG59 and 6. Go ahead and insert the cable. Let the jaws clamp down and give it a few spins. A good tip is to listen to your stripper. Listen to how the braid is cut as you rotate the tool. When it stops making noises, don't just keep on rotating, or you could damage the cable. Release. You have your center conductor cut and jacket cut. Simple as that. This tool will also work for category cables. Here we have one that's already been stripped. You can cut it using the back part of this here, so you have a fresh place to start. Get that out of the way. And the stripping part is up here. Simply insert. Make sure you give yourself enough room. So you want it to come out quite a bit here. And rotate. Pull it right off, and you have your 4 pairs. Simple. In addition to these strippers, Cable Wholesale carries a wide range of cables, connectors, and networking products, and so much more. So be sure to check out our entire line of products at CableWholesale.com. If you have any questions, you can reach us by phone Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern to 5 p.m. Pacific, or email us, or leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can get notified of our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time here at Cable Wholesale.